Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So today I'll be presenting something a little different from our normal class, and I tried to think, what should I present to you guys? So does anyone know?
It's a 2 words word.
Yes, good. Yeah, it's a verb phrase. Okay, so this is the definition. It is an idiomatic phrase consisting of a verb and another element. So usually an adverb, like breakdown, or a preposition, or both. And a lot of these can be a little confusing if English is not your first language, because such as look down on, what does that mean? And so today I'll be presenting about phrasal verbs. Okay, so similar to our textbook, I decided to make a dialogue, which you should have. And so just like in class, let's read through the dialogue. We have Jake and Sally. They're classmates and they see each other at the bus stop. Okay, so please repeat after me. Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, how are you doing?
I think I need to get together with my friends and just get away.
I think I need to get together with my friends and just get away.
Living with my roommate isn't easy.
Living with my roommate isn't easy.
What happened?
What happened?
I thought you two got along well.
I thought you two got along well.
Good. She always gets up really early and makes a lot of noise, which is so annoying.
She always gets up really early and makes a lot of noise, which is so annoying.
We talked this morning and I tried to get my point across, but she didn't understand.
We talked this morning and I tried to get my point across, but she didn't understand.
She probably thinks she can get away with waking me up every morning at 7 a.m.
She probably thinks she can get away with waking me up every morning at 7 a.m.
Good. Well, didn't you used to wake up at 6 a.m.?
Well, didn't you used to wake up at 6 a.m.?
Maybe you can get back into waking up early.
Maybe you can get back into waking up early.
Or maybe I could find a way to get back at her.
Or maybe I could find a way to get back at her.
I think you should try talking about it one more time.
I think we should try talk about it one more time.
This is a small issue.
This is a small issue.
I think you two can get over it.
I think you two can get over it.
I just need to get around to telling her directly.
I just need to get around to telling her directly.
If you need any advice, just let me know.
If you need any advice, just let me know.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, that's the bus to SDA. Let's get on that bus.
Oh, that's the bus to SDA. Let's get on the bus.
Okay, so it was a little long, but that was our dialogue. And there are many phrasal verbs in this dialogue. A lot. Okay, so I would like you to look at your paper and try to count. How many phrasal verbs are there?
Okay.
says 9. Okay. Any others? Andrew? 9. Okay. Andrew says 9. Luna? 13. Okay. All right. Ami? 9. Okay. Anna? 10. Okay. All right. So class, actually, there are 11. 11? Yes, there are 11. Okay, so I will show you the 11 ones, okay? So we have get together, get away, get along, gets up, get my point across, get away, get back into, get back, get over, get around, and get on. Okay, so there are 11. So the hints of this lesson, they're all get phrasal verbs today. And so we will actually go through each one of these and go through the meaning of them. So I will do this. So we will go through each of these 11 and we'll get started with our first one. And so first we will go over get together. Okay, so in our dialogue it mentioned, I need to get together with my friends. Please repeat after me. I need to get together with my friends.
I need to get together with my friends.
Good. Okay, so with many of these phrasal verbs, they may have more than one exact meaning, but I will go over the most common meaning for it. So the most common for get together is meet, or usually for social reasons, right? Hang out, meet, like that. And so some examples, please repeat after me. Let's get together and celebrate your new job.
Let's get together and celebrate your new job.
Okay, right. Get together here means meet. Right? Let's meet, let's hang out and do that. And then another one. My family was going to have a reunion this summer, but because of the pandemic, we couldn't. We will get together next year. Right? We will meet next year.
My family was going to have a reunion this summer, but because of the pandemic, we will get together next year.
Good. Okay, so right, we will meet, we will gather next year. And so on the paper, there is a lot of space. So I would like you to think of your own example using get together. So I will give you my own example. Whenever I go back to America, I want to get together with my whole family. Okay, so you can think of an example using get together. On the paper, it's number 10, get together. So we have get together. Good. And then the next one we'll go over is get away. Okay, so usually it can mean to go on vacation vacation or to escape something, to go to another place. So, in our dialogue, please repeat after me. I think I need to get together with my friends and just get away.
I think I need to get together with my friends and just get away.
Good. So, and just go on vacation or just go away, go to another place, right? So, some examples. We will get away next month for a vacation in Iceland.
We will get away next month for vacation in Iceland.
Good. Okay, so we will go on vacation next month for a vacation, like that. And another example. I would love to get away from the crowded city for a month or two, but I have English class every day.
I would love to get away from the crowded city for a month or two, but I have English class every day.
Okay, so class, do you relate to this? Maybe. All right, and my example, maybe at the end of next term, I'll get away and visit other parts of Korea.
Maybe at the end of this month, I will get away and visit other parts of Korea.
Good. So, like go on vacation, go somewhere else, go travel. So now it's your turn. So get away is number 3 on the page number 3.
Get around.
Oh, get around. Okay, good. So good. So after finding time, then you can do that. So yeah, there are a lot of them, and native speakers of English, we use them quite often, and so it can be very useful to also use these phrasal verbs in your speaking. It'll help you sound more native, but it can also be good to understand what people say. So I recommend checking them out. And so that's all for the presentation for today. So yes, I use this website, so if you want to look for more, englishclub.com. Some good resources here. And yeah, that's all for today. So thank you. I'll go back if you want to write down this website.